welcome back to the channel. We are at the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco. Last thing we're doing before we get out of here. So just taking a little time, checking it out. So let's take a little bit of a drive through a tunnel and a little bit of a walk around to the Scenic Viewpoint, and we'll show you what we found. Let's get into it.
Okay, here, Aliyah, Drake, get in, please.
So we're walking over this Golden Gate Viewpoint, and this is the last thing we're doing before we're getting back on the plane and heading back home. Perfect day for it. Glad we waited, because this has definitely been the best weather. Oh wow. So it's going to be just a short hike, not very long, but a little viewpoint. Go check it out. San Francisco Bay. You can see Alcatraz straight ahead out there. And San Francisco City down that way. It's pretty. We got the perfect day for coming here. I'm glad we waited till today. All right, guys, let's walk on this little quick hike.
Go up, come on.
It's going to be a short one, but we'll make the most of it. So the whole weekend it's been kind of overcast for the most part, lots of clouds, kind of what you'd expect. Today is 80 degrees, so apparently the best day we could ask for was today. And weather is great. Come on! Drake got nunchucks, which can't go on the plane, so he's been told not to hit anyone, not to hurt anyone, and then they're gonna get given to somebody or thrown away. I don't know what we're gonna do with them. But he was adamant about having nunchucks from Chinatown. I don't know. Julie let him have them. I probably would have wanted them when I was a kid too. So it looks like we have a little path there too. Four-day trip here was definitely pretty quick. So the Bay Bridge, which is way out there. My daughter asked, what's the difference between the Bay Bridge and the Golden Gate Bridge? I'm like, well, the Golden Gate Bridge is painted, and I don't know anything about the Bay Bridge. But I do know that they start painting this bridge, and by the time they get to the other end and are done painting, they start all over and start painting all over again. So they are in a consistent pattern of having to paint this bridge because of it being on the water and the salt water, I guess, and oxidization. It just eats away the paint. So they're always painting it. But yeah, a couple of bucket list items on this trip. Went to Alcatraz. Never actually made it out to the Golden Gate Bridge when I was a kid. At least I don't remember it. So, pretty cool trip. Cool that they let the kids have those experiences. All right. Well, this seems to be a theme with San Francisco. We've seen this in a few spots. They have a fence for hanging locks. We've seen that in the wharf, and or was it in the wharf? Maybe the wharf, but definitely at Pier 39. We saw it somewhere else too. But there you go. Golden Gate Bridge. Glad we got to drive over at one time. Well, drive over it a second time going into the city to get our stuff from our hotel and head home. Yeah, pretty cool. Have to get a picture with the family. Let's see what this is over here. So I don't know anything about this area, but this definitely looks like an old military complex. So at some point, that would be my assumption, is all this stuff here was military at one point. That would be my guess, like a lot of these places. Kind of cool to see these old structures that no longer have anything. Rest in peace, David 23. A little bit of graffiti. Not too bad. Alright, we'll see where the family is. Alright, they're catching up. Hey, Julie! Jay! They have the locks here too. I have to do some research. That's kind of interesting. I'm sure that would be cool to know more about that. They got the locks on the fence here too. But yeah, I want to walk through. I haven't seen it. Yeah, this goes back. Let's go. Pretty cool, actually. Definitely an old bunker. And they've closed everything off, so keep people out of it. Makes sense. Way cool. This is some of the fun stuff to get to explore and check out.
There's pee in there. You went in the pee.
And of course my son notices the smells. We've noticed a lot of smells down here near San Francisco. But yeah, pretty cool. See, this is an old bunker, Aaliyah. Way back in the day, this could have been all sorts of stuff. All right, guys, we got to get going. See, I think we're going through that tunnel right there. So we got to get going. Come on. Come on, little rascals. Got to get rid of those nunchucks. What are you going to do with those nunchucks?
I'm going to give it to a blue boy.
No. I think that's going to be a weird thing to ask somebody. Take my nunchucks.
No, not taking them. He said offering.
Oh, okay. All right, we got to get going, Mama. Come on, guys. We got... Our plane leaves in 3 hours and 50 minutes. So, yeah. We got to get out of here. Sensitive resources. Please respect Earthworks, the National Park Services preserving the unique earthworks of Battery Spencer, 1887 Ridge Battery. Please respect fencing, training, trail boundaries, and closed areas so that we may preserve the sensitive earthworks and the vegetation that protects them. Yeah, see, look, used to have cannons here. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Yeah, so on our drive in, definitely noticed some military type style housing. So clearly we now know why. Be cool to look up some history on all of this. Well worth the visit though. All closed off. Guessing you can't open. Nope. That is sealed shut. People have obviously gotten in. Roof is caved in. Turn it into a restroom. So we missed this on the way up. Battery Spencer. We walked the trail to the side, didn't see this. Definitely spend a whole day here with all these trails. Tons of trails everywhere. That's cool. Julie, if we come back, there's tons of trails all throughout here. We could have done a lot of hiking. That would have been fun. So, yeah. Next time we will definitely do some more exploring, for sure. All right, well, hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. I think this is probably gonna mark the end of our videos here in San Francisco. We had a good time. We'll definitely come back another time, probably stay a little longer so we don't feel so rushed getting everything. But until next time, keep exploring. We'll talk soon. Take care, guys.